Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can recover your Roblox account if you forgot your password and you don't have your email and your mobile number. So first, you're in the login section. Just click on forgot password or username. It's going to bring you to this page. But over here you need to remember that we don't have access to our email or our phone number. So what we want to do is scroll a bit down and click on help. Once we click on help, it's going to take us to Roblox support. From over here we need to click on Roblox account. From inside Roblox account, click on I forgot my password. Once you click on it, you need to scroll a bit down again, and once you see this option called still having trouble, you want to click on customer support, which is in blue color under still having trouble. Once you do that, it's going to bring us to the support page. Over here you need to enter your birth date, which means enter the date of birth which you put on your account. Don't enter a random birth date, alright? Once you enter your date of birth over here, what you want to do is click on next. Now over here you need to enter the username of your Roblox account. I'm going to do that, and then over here enter your first name and then enter the email address. Make sure this is the email address you have access to. You don't have to enter the email which is linked with your Roblox account. Just enter an email which you have access to. Enter the email again to confirm it. Once you do that, what you want to do is scroll a bit down and over here click on please select. And over here you want to choose on where it says PC, but doesn't matter, you can choose whichever you want. Over here on support, click on it and choose where it says account hacked or can't log in. Once you choose that, click on where it says once you do that, click on please select again and click on account hacked. And over here you need to explain your problem. Like you can say this: hey, I wanted to log in into my Roblox account and I forgot my password and I don't have access to my phone number or my email address. Is there any way you guys can help me to recover my Roblox account? And just click on submit after explaining your problem. Then after some days, Roblox will reply to you on this email, whichever email you wrote over here. So make sure to have access to that and keep on checking the email, and they'll tell you on how you guys can recover your account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.